It's a 2015 Lexus RX 350. This RX 350 is luxury without apology. Sink into the driver's seat and experience its intense elegance. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, doors and push button start proximity key, power telescoping steering column, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive remarks it's easy to drive and easier than most SUVs to park with light steering and responsive brakes. Inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. That is the DNA of a Lexus. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.